Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer playlists from YouTube to another account. Easy tutorial, step by step, clearly. To transfer playlists from one YouTube account to another, start by logging into your original YouTube account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the library section found on the left sidebar. Locate the playlist you wish to transfer. Click on the playlist to open it. At the top, find the three dots icon, which signifies options for the playlist. Click on the three dots to reveal a drop-down menu. Select the Share option from the menu. A sharing link will appear. Copy this link to your clipboard. Now, log out of your original account. Log into the new YouTube account where you want to transfer the playlist. Once logged in, paste the copied link into your browser's address bar. Press Enter to access the shared playlist. You will see the playlist with all its contents. To save this playlist to your new account, click on the Save to Library option. This will add the playlist directly to your new account's library. If required, you can rename the playlist now. Ensure that all songs are in your library for easy access. Your playlists are now successfully transferred from one account to another. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.